welcome back to the channel. And guys, as you can see, when you look down at the title, I don't know exactly what I want. A curry crayfish boil.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes.
Alright, so the seasoning over here, so now we have some salt and pepper, the mother seasoning, garlic and onion powder mixture, and our curry, the star of the show. So right now we're gonna season up the pot, just like how when you boil crab. That's the plan. So forward with it.
Let's go.
Yes, guys.
You see that? Those bubbles are not at boiling point yet, but we'll get there.
Pimento seed.
Yes, guys.
Bay leaf.
In. Yes. Look at that.
Salt and pepper.
In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. Yes, guys. And you can substitute the crayfish for your crab legs, your shrimp, your lobster. This is a boil, guys, so you can substitute and put in and take out whatever it is you want, right?
Garlic and onion powder.
Guys, this is smelling so amazing.
Everything.
This smells really good.
That's right.
It's really nice.
Some people burn them curry, but in this instance, nah, burn it. Curry in.
Look at that, guys, that richness from that curry.
Some Scotch bonnet sauce.
Guys, when you say seafood, you know that Scotch bonnet is a must. Yes, guys.
So I will give this a stir. Combine everything.
Yes, guys, and we're using our whisk to ensure that everything is properly dissolved. Look at that curry color coming together nicely. Look at that, guys. So amazing. And the aroma, oh my lord, it's smelling really nice.
Alright, so guys, I got a little rosemary and a cinnamon leaf to enhance that flavor.
Yes, guys. And guys, if you don't cook with herbs or you've never cooked with herbs before, now is the time to get on the train. You're missing out. Remember, Chef Alexander told you guys you're missing out. Guys, get on the train. Yes, guys, drop it down in the comment section and tell us what next you want to see us do.
So the cinnamon leaf have a beautiful flavor, guys. If you have never tried it before, feel free to try, and then you can DM us and tell us the result.
Yes, give us the feedbacks.
Just a little sprinkle of rosemary. We don't want it to overpower what's happening. Yes,
guys. And look at that, reaching that boiling point. So we're just going to add. Give it an next stir. Guys, this kitchen is smelling very aromatic and lovely.
So
lovely, guys.
Give this a taste.
You can always make adjustments. If you want a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, do your adjustment here.
Take a little more salt, guys.
Exactly.
Alright, so I catch on the back when this comes to a rapid boil and we add the shrimp. The crayfish.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so there again. Just telling you, so we're going to add this crayfish, but we're going to add the food first.
Yes, guys, because as you know, we need these cooked properly, and the crayfish will just take a shorter period of time to cook. So, you know, we have to prioritize on what we'll cook first and get it done. So we are going to boil these for 5 to 10 minutes or until tender or al dente, right? So forward.
So forward. Yes, guys.
Look at that rapid bubbles. So we're just going to check if the food are cooked. And by this, I know they are.
Yes, guys. See that? So now let's add some stellium. Ragamuffin. Ragamuffin. Alright. Along with the scallion, I'm going to add some crushed garlic.
Guys, this is going to be very flavorful and yummy.
And see why I'm doing this, guys. I'm going to just add the coconut milk. And guys, if you use good coconut milk powder, you don't have to mix it out, because we're not going to do that right now. Just have a tear back.
Yes, guys. And if you want it, and if you have coconut cream, you can use that as well.
Or the grated coconut, that's best, but
coconut juice. Yes guys, you know we have to allow this coconut milk to cook through properly. So we're just going to give this a next.
Using the Maggi brand.
Yes, Maggi. Yes guys.
Very flavorful guys. It and the grace also. Not because we're using Maggi, but they are over flavored.
Yes guys, so we're just going to allow the coconut milk to cook so forward.
So forward.
Yes guys, so time to add the crayfish or janga. Yes guys, I will have 2 little shrimp right there. So if you're seeing it, yes, those are shrimpies. Yes guys, and we're going to cook these for another 5 minutes and then it's ready time. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section so forward. Yes guys, look at that, coming together nicely. Another 2 minutes and we're ready. Just going to add some butter, get this creamy and yummy goodness so forward again. Yes guys, look at that.
It's that time now.
That time.
So now we're going to go and forward over the plating station. We're going to get this in one plate and show you how we deal with things. Bang, bang, boom!
Yes guys, start dropping them comments. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my lord. If you watch Queen Beast, that's Queen Beast in name? Beast mode. Yeah, beast mode. That's how I'm going. Look at that. Oh my lord. Yes guys. This looks so amazing. So amazing. Lord. It's so beautiful. Yes guys, call us and place your orders. What are you waiting on? You are missing out guys. Call us and place your orders. Everything from it. Hear the scraping, you know, Chef Reid. Everything. Yes guys, you don't know what time it is. Everything. Yes guys, coming right along with our shrimpies right there, right there again. What you think coming up now? The star of the show. Yes guys, so let us hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Right there, cruising
In the Civics.
Yes guys, he is cruising. Yes guys.
So guys, now we're going to garnish the plate.
Yes guys, we're going to garnish the plate because garnishing the final touches and all of that.
And then we'll clean up.
Yes guys. One right there. Yes guys, this is coming along so nice. Beautiful. Right there.
I don't know when Chef Reid and Chef Alexander got to work, you know.
Yes, guys.
And they're not normal.
Yes, guys. I'm just going to give you guys a rotation. Look at that. Coming along nicely. Going to clean up the plate and come back so forward. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Give them a rotation, chef. Yes guys, pictures will be posted on our Instagram. Look at that, lovely. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?